Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you the most easiest way using which you can use Internet Explorer in Windows 11 or 10. To get started, go to this PC, then go to C drive, program files, and go to Internet Explorer folder. Here you will find a file called iExplore. Simply hold the shift key and right click over it and select copy as path. Now close this window. Right click over desktop, go to new and click on shortcut. Now paste the copied location here. Put a space and type Facebook. You can replace the term Facebook with anything else and type space hyphen embedding and click on next. Now rename the file to Internet Explorer and click on finish. That's it. You'll get a shortcut of Internet Explorer. Now you can use this to use the Internet Explorer browser. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.